Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you some essential things for household and most importantly for my daughter's stationery item and some game. The interesting thing is that all the products start from only rupees 5. Or I forget to tell you the name of app, it's Deodap, which is flowing all over my feed. It's too cheap, that's why I want to give a shot. Don't expect the item will deliver. At first I thought it's fake. But luckily it's all. First product is Glow Instantly. Remove dead skin in seconds with this ultra soft exfoliating sponge. Smooth, fresh skin anytime. Second item, add a cute touch to your style. These premium made cat design hair clips are trendy, strong, and perfect for everyday looks. Stay stylish and adorable in seconds. Third product, perfect glaze every time. Boring sharpness? Nope. Meet the fun toilet sharpener with eraser, cute, quirky, and super useful. Grab yours now. Bake like a pro. Next is again make baking fun and creative. Cookie Sparkles. This stainless steel cookie cutter set comes in heart, star, round, and flower shapes. Tired of drilling walls? Just stick it and hang anything instantly. Heavy-duty adhesive hooks, strong, stylish, and no damage. Don't forget them. These colorful sticky notes keep you organized and on track, perfect for study, work, and daily reminders. Next is power cuts or outdoor plans. Don't worry. Introducing the rechargeable LED camping lantern. With 3 lighting modes, it's perfect for camping, travel, or emergencies. Bright, portable, and easy to carry anywhere. No more darkness. Next is carry your meals fresh anytime. Insulated lunch bag keeps food hot or cold for hours. Stylish, spacious, and perfect for daily use. Looking for smooth writing every time? This 0.5 mm black ball pen gives clean, sharp lines. Perfect for notes, exams, and daily use. Lightweight, stylish, and super affordable. Up next, padded headband for messy hair. Tired of wasting food or using plastic wraps? Upgrade to reusable silicone stretch lids. Just stretch and seal, fits bowls, fruits, and containers of all sizes. Leak-proof, airtight, and super flexible. Safe for microwave, freezer, and daily use. Eco-friendly, washable, and reusable, save money and reduce waste. Perfect for every kitchen. Love baking? These silicone cupcake molds make baking easy and mess-free. Non-stick reusable and super cute. Losing count again? Make counting easy with this digital finger tally counter. Just wear it, tap the button, and track anything instantly. Prayers, reps, inventory, or events. Clear display, lightweight, and super easy to use. No confusion, no mistakes, just accurate counting every time. Make playtime magical for your kids. Introducing the mini slide projector. Just switch it on and watch colorful images come to life on walls. Comes with 3 slides and fun animated patterns. Perfect for learning, storytelling, and bedtime fun. Lightweight, safe, and super easy to use. Turn any room into a mini cinema for kids. Grab yours now and spark creativity. School just got more fun. Introducing the Kids Pencil Box with built-in tic-tac-toe game. Not just for storing pencils, play anytime, anywhere. Perfect for school breaks, travel, or free time. Keeps kids engaged while staying organized. Cute, compact, and super fun to use. A perfect gift for kids. Next is messy tissues everywhere. Fix it with this wall-mounted tissue dispenser. Easy to install, space-saving, and super convenient, perfect for bathroom or tired of leaks in your bag. Switch to this premium glass bottle, 100% leak-proof. Sleek, safe, and perfect for daily use. Carry smart, stay stylish. Next is want to upgrade your room instantly? These cute floating wall shelves are the perfect solution. Display your plants, books, photos, or decor in style. No bulky furniture, just clean, modern vibes. Strong, durable, and easy to install. Feeling the heat? Stay cool anywhere with this portable 3-speed hand fan. Choose your breeze, low, medium, or high, just one click. Compact, lightweight, and easy to carry in your bag.
Perfect for travel, office, or daily use. Long-lasting battery for all-day cooling. Beat the heat in style. Tired of stress and hair fall? Meet your new self-care essential, the scalp massager. Just a few minutes daily boosts blood circulation, relaxes your mind, and promotes healthier hair growth. Use it in the shower or with oil for that salon-like feel at home. Stronger roots, less stress, and pure relaxation. Your hair will thank you. Tired of mixing your food? Upgrade to this 3-compartment stainless steel lunch box. Keep your meals fresh, separate, and perfectly organized. Durable, rust-free, and safe for everyday use. Leak-proof, cut mess, not your hands. This plastic tab dispenser cutter gives smooth, easy cuts every time. Just pull, slide, and done. No struggle, no waste. Smart, quick, and super handy for every home. Love dumplings but hate the effort? Try this 2-in-1 dumpling mold. Just place the dough, add your filling, press. And done. Perfect shape, tight seal, every single time. No mess, no struggle, just quick, delicious dumplings in minutes. Make momos, gujias, or dumplings like a pro at home. Cute like an apple, clean like magic. Pocket-sized paper soap, wash anytime, anywhere. And also check this anti-slip stick-on for dress now. Don't worry girls, keep your food fresh for longer. Salad sparkles, these airtight 900ml storage containers each lock in freshness and flavor. No spills, no moisture, just perfectly stored snacks and groceries every time. Durable, space-saving, and super convenient. A must-have two-piece set for every kitchen. Can't see clearly, zoom in instantly with this magnifier. Perfect for reading, repairs, and more. My daughter like it very much. Screen time out, creativity in. Sparkles, these magnetic building tiles make learning super fun. Snap, build, and create anything. Houses, cars, even castles, strong magnets, bright colors, and endless imagination, perfect for kids to learn shapes, colors, and problem solving. Safe, durable, and hours of fun guaranteed. Let your child build their own world. And that's it for today's household haul. So many useful and budget-friendly finds. Let me know in the comments which one you liked the most. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more amazing hauls. See you in the next video.